Okay, let's start. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to solve for Rubik's Cube. Yo, this is a Rubik's Cube challenge. I just bring it to school. And here's what to do with the Rubik's Cube. Okay, first you're gonna go like this. Yo, I don't know how to solve this because I'm gonna do it in first try. Okay, now put the edges and fold the edges. I'm gonna try to solve this. Yeah, because I don't know how to solve this. So here's what I do. First, you have to go like this. And second, you have to go like this. And these are red, orange, yellow, okay, green, and white. Yo, you're gonna solve this. Okay? Okay. Ooh, I almost did it. Boop! Okay, I'm sorry, I just coughed. Yeah, oh wait. So I'm gonna solve this Rubik's Cube. We got 4 words, but we have to keep going. Wait, how can I do this? Okay, let's go. Rubik's Cube looks so cool. Oh my god, I got 2 orange. Oh, there, I got it. Okay. Now the other challenges. Correct this. We got 4 words. Okay, we still need to keep going. We got 3 yellows and 2 whites. We got 3 blues. Yo, you have to solve this because it's difficult to mind. Oh, I got it. We got the same colors. Yo, I have to finish this. Okay. Let's go. Okay. No, I cannot beat this. But I'll just try my best. This is impossible to make so much. Okay, I know how to solve this. Oh my god, my Rubik's Cube. Oh my god, this Rubik's Cube is so hard to find. Yo, I got it from like school. Get 5 months to play this. Yo, that's so difficult. And here I got an others. Yup. Yo, you can see it closely. And here's another. Okay, now the back. There's nothing. So I can try to solve this Rubik's Cube. Yo, I'm just trying my best to solve this Rubik Cube. Yo, I'm gonna faint. I'm tired of this game. Come on, get this move. Okay, we got 3 orange. I don't know how mad away. It's so difficult. Yo, we got 4 reds, but we have to keep going. Let's keep going until we reach the colorful one. Yo, I'm just trying my best. It's been like 7 minutes to play this. Oh my god. I'm literally trying to beat the whole game. I can't do this. I have to do this. I have to solve this. Yo, I'm gonna faint if I don't try to beat this. Yo, this is so difficult. Like if you do like 2, yo, I can't. It's been like 8 minutes to play this. Oh my god, this is literally interesting. Yo, I have to beat this. Yo, this is so hard, guys. I'm literally beating my best. Yo. Wait, we got the same size. Wait, but how did we got so many here? I'm just waiting. I can't believe this. I can't keep going. I'm afraid. It's been like 90 minutes. You got 4 blues. Oh my god, I can't believe I am doing this. This challenge is crazy. I got 3 whites. You know what? I give up. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. I solved a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, but sorry it failed. Make sure you subscribe to Jihani videos. And turn the bell button. Make sure you like the video. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.